What's up, madlang people? How are you all doing? Karaoke on the go. Ang ganda! Ang ganda nito! Feeling mo talaga solid siya, oh. Guys, welcome back to another video. Ngayon, samahan nyo kami mag-day in a life. Pero bago yan, gusto ko muna kayong batiin ng Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Magbagong buhay na kayong lahat. Pero, bago tayo mag-day in a life later, kasi marami tayong gagawin, marami tayong pupuntahan. Doon tayo mag-spend ng Christmas sa mga inay this evening. So, maraming ganap. Pero bago yan, meron muna akong i-unbox, guys. Tingnan nyo naman to. Napakalupit. Actually, nakita lang namin to nung in-invite kami. Baby shower siya. Tapos nakita ko to. Sobrang ganda ng tunog. So, pwede ka na mag-video okay dito. Tapos, i-connect mo lang yung phone mo or sa TV. But in this case, siguro connect natin sa TV. Tapos, susubukan natin siya. Ano siya? JBL Encore 2. So, meron siyang kasamang dalawang mic. Tapos, bumabayo talaga yung tugtog nito, guys. Subukan natin. Karaoke on the go, kumbaga. Oh, wait, watch out, guys. Watch out. Sharp, sharp, sharp.
Are you excited?
Yeah, you wanna see? You wanna see what's inside?
Kids opening part 2.
Huh?
Kids opening part 2.
Oh. What the heck? Wait. Paano natin to? Sam, hold mo. Hold mo yung box. Hold down yung box. Hold down. Hold down mo din. Wait lang, guys. Ibababa ako. Okay na. Yan natin. Kunin. Ayun. Ganun pala.
Sam.
Hold down yung box. Hold down. Hirapan to ah. Alright, yan. Ito na yung speaker. So, iwan na natin yung box doon. Nasa yung baba. So, napakaliit niya lang. Pero, guys, napakaganda ng tunog nito. Sana may charge na siya. Hindi ko alam kung sinasaksak to eh.
Napakaliit.
Di ba ang liit? Ha? Ang liit lang, di ba? Ano siya? Static.
Napakaliit siya.
Oo. Nasaan yung mic? Ayun. So guys, meron pang isang box dito. Ito yung mic. So syempre may instruction, hindi natin babasahin yan. Ito. Ito yung ano. So meron siyang handle ng mic, merong saksakan, tapos yung actual mic.
I'm going to open this one.
Yes, please. Unbox. Dali. Yan. Ganito yung tsura ng mic niya, guys. Yan. Ang parang feeling mo talaga solid siya, oh. So, i-charge mo din. Oh. Paano siya? Wala siyang battery. Oh, okay. Sige, let's find out. Let's find out kung anong mangyayari. Oh, may battery din. So, may battery siya, oh. Lagyan mo dyan. Ito yung saksakan. Kasi dapat nagbabasa ng instruction, eh. Ayan. Baka na to. Ikot mo siya dito. Okay, saksak natin. Okay, got that one right here.
It has a charger.
Yes, it has a charger. Okay, tapos on. Yung on natin dito. Oh! Wait.
Sama na siya.
Asa yung cellphone? Whoa! Mic test. What's up, Araneta? How are you all doing, people? Galing ah. So, meron pa siyang echo. Hello. Oh, wait muna. Wait.
Using Feliz Navidad.
So guys, meron pa siyang echo, tapos merong volume. Hindi pa yan yung sagad. Ayan yung sagad, oh. Ang lakas. Oh my
Doon
goodness.
sa Rainbow Place.
What's up, madlang people? How are you all doing? Alright, try natin i-connect. Wait. I-connect natin. Wait lang. Nasaan yung phone ni Mami? Where's Mommy's other phone?
Sing kayo ng Feliz Navidad.
So guys, listen. I-connect natin siya ngayon dito muna sa phone. Kasi alam ko pwede mo rin siyang i-connect sa TV. Basta as long as yung TV mo is smart TV na merong Bluetooth. Kasi Bluetooth to. So search natin. JBL Party Box Encore 2. Let's go, baby! Ayan na, connected na. So guys, syempre, i-testing natin siya ng malupitan, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng, So, video okay tayo, guys. Just once. Tingnan natin kung gano'ng ka-quality yung tunog nito.
Pamilyang nagpalaki sa'yo mula sa pamilyang
Ang lakas!
ngayon kasama ang Remitly. I-download
Ang
na
lakas, OMG!
Global Karaoke TV.
Wow! Portable karaoke! I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Cause here we are back way before. Seems nothing ever changed. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get through it, you know we could break through it. Ang ganda! Ang ganda nito! Alright, tapusin natin yung kanta, guys. I give my all, but I think my all may have been too much. Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems if we're always going, whatever we've got going, it seems at times with all we got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. I wanna understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can we get ourselves in hand and admit to one another we're no good without each other? Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. ones. Thank you so much, Araneta. Appreciate everybody. Thank you for having me. I love you all. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Let's go! Guys, ang ganda nito. Alright, turn off muna natin. So guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa unbox, pero mamaya magpa-party-party pa tayo, samahan nyo kami. Pero napakasulit nito guys, nabili lang namin ito ng $399 sa Amazon. Naka-sale siya ngayon. Original price I think $600? $599, right? Yeah, $599. So naka-sale siya. $600 lang. Ay, $399 lang. So parang, alam mo yung ganitong kaliit for the quality of sound and yung bayo, sobrang sulit. JBL, ano siya? Di ba binili na rin nila yung Harman Kardon? So, it's JBL Harman Kardon. So, sobrang sulit, guys. Anyway, tara na, mag-pack up na kami and then samahan nyo kaming mag-Noche Buena sa aming mga inay. Let's go! Guys, nandito na kami. Finally, sobrang dulas ng kalsada. Sobrang nag-snow kasi kanina. Yan o, daming snow. Nag-snow pa kaninang umaga. So, kaya, alam mo yun. Nakakaano mag-drive. Kalurky mag-drive. Pero, we arrive safe. Tara na, excited na ako mag-video, okay? Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Ay, mag-e-hepore later sa...
Pepore. Boom, tarat, tarat. Boom, tarat, tarat. Let's go, go inside. It's cold, let's go. Let's go.
Amoy na amoy ba ang pagkain?
What's up?
Hi! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Huwag mo sa ano, sa bulsa. Huwag mo sa bulsa. Sa bulsa, sa bulsa.
Hindi na lang kami nakain sa party na lang.
Maganda yung
Nagluluto. Wait lang.
Are you ready, Araneta? We're gonna grab some concert tonight. Inay, parang dumami ulit naman yung halaman mo ah. Ay, ano, lalabas na? Let's go!
Ginawa namin yan ni Essie. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Ang lamig. Alison, takay. Patang ba kita?
Dito na kami guys. So, ang dami na tayong mga food trip. Uy, sarap po. Ano yung bulalo? Ay ano?
may hamon.
Uy, syempre, may hamon.
Christmas.
Yes. Ay, ano yung tinola yan? At sabi ko yung pizza ba?
Dami nating food trip guys, oh. Oh. Tapos meron mo tayong ham. Ito yung galing sa Costco. Eh na ito yung kasama ng sauce nun. O, dinagdagan mo ng sauce.
Ay, meron sa Costco?
Oh, yung sa yung pula. Oh, yung pula.
Nilagyan ko ng pineapple.
Masarap yung pula.
Pero nilagyan ko din ng
Pineapple juice. Oh. Meron tayong lumpia.
Natin para mainit.
Meron tayong... Mamaya pa naman tayo kakain eh.
Wait, kami gutom na.
Ah, okay.
Ano?
Alas 12 pa!
Alas 12.
Sabi eh.
Magkantay ng alas 12.
Sabi mo kayo kumuha dyan at pang-Instagram yan.
Set up na natin yung ano guys, yung speaker natin. Mag-video okay na tayo. Hello. Araneta, are you ready for our concert tonight?
Inay, ang puso!
Hello,
Bakwa na ang puso.
everybody.
Ay, request yan ni AC.
Ay, mamaya ito.
Gawa daw ni...
Asan ang pa-exchange gift?
Ako, hindi pa nga ako nakabala.
Hindi,
Wow!
tiglilima lang ang dala namin. Wala kami
Ay, sa partner mo yung malaki. Ano ba yan?
We work hard to keep things simple, and nature works even harder.
Nakasay siya ngayon, 395 ata. 600 yung price.
Gawa tayo ng service.
Yung sa Costco na isa.
Oo, paano kasi basag yung tunog daw nun eh.
Yun nga yung mga nasa review.
Oo, eh ito bumabayo talaga. Tapos pwedeng music, pwedeng alam mo yun, kahit hindi karaoke, pwedeng ka mag-music lang.
Talaga, bumabay.
Tapos dalawang mic.
Binanap ko. Ay, ilagay na daya sa isang
Tatlong
lalagyan.
barbecue ah.
Ito po. Okay. Ready? Ready?
Hindi pa nakainom yan.
Go!
Merry Christmas!
Dapat may price yun eh kasi yung
Effort, oo, effort.
kasunod talaga yung
Next.
Oh, sindi.
Sabi your turn. Uy, sabi niya your tummy is weak.
Oh, seb.
Merry Christmas. Easy. Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Matangkad.
Christmas.
Sino makadami ng patay?
May bata.
Ano ba?
Kasali na nga.
And then grab one, okay?
Red.
One, two, three, go! One, two, three, go!
Ay, narugi ang pansin. Itinulak pa ka na sa akin yung kaya.
Three, go!
Thank you! Emily, is this yours?
Anton.
Ay, narugi ang pansin.
Tuwa-tuwa pa talaga siya. Nakatalo na kuha niya.
Ako, tayo durog. Ay, durog.
Yeah, that's the Grinch meal. So yun guys, tapos na kami mag-party. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video kasi sobrang na-excite mag-video. Kaya napansin wala na akong boses. Grabe. Crazy. Daan muna tayo ng McDonald's. Although meron tayong maraming food na take out. Pero daan muna tayo McDonald's kasi nag-crave tayo sa ano. Kasi syempre nag-inom, hangover food ang McDonald's. So, daan muna tayo very quick. Order tayo ng cheeseburger. Tapos double quarter pounder. Ano ako dito? Double quarter pounder. Meal? Hindi? Ay sige, meal mo large fries. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day. Nalalamunan ko kakakanta guys. Namiss ko mag-video okay. You guys good? Sab. Good? Mag-open tayo ng gift mamaya.
We're ordering now. Okay.
Alam mo na bago eh. Guys, wala na akong boses. Kakanta kanina. Sobrang nag-enjoy.
It's done.
Ayoko pa kang umuwi eh.
Saan ka natulog?
Nabitin.
May foam naman.
So see you at home guys. Mamaya na tayo mag-video ulit. Kuya, Merry Christmas! Ingat! Opo! Uwi na tayo guys. Let's go. Eat tayo merienda. Guys, finally, we are home. Sobrang paus na. Tapos syempre, magme-merienda muna tayo ng burger. You like the fries? Hey, Sam, you like the fries? Ay, ba't dalawa yung fries? Ooh, guys, good stuff. Look at that.
That's a five.
Wow.
Same five. That's
Is it the same price?
five. Yeah.
Same price. Gutom ka?
Yeah.
So guys, ang deal namin sa mga bata is mag-open kami ng isang gift tonight. So we're gonna open
Picture
one.
muna tayo.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it good? Let's go.
Ay, nandito ba yung napanalunan mo? Nananalo ka ba?
Oo.
Magkano?
I'm nom.
Price.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Smile.
2, 1.
Bye! Oh guys, mag-open kami ng tig-isang gift.
I have to open
Muna.
that one. That
Oh, dali,
one.
open mo yung big one. Go.
From Ninang Ika.
Ito, yeah. Open it. Whoa! What the? What that's what you got?
Dun sa amin, no. Ha? Sam, who's that from? Did you look?
Small dinosaur. This is my other small dinosaur.
Saan lalabas yun? Dito? Ayun! Saan lalabas oh? Okay lang guys. Meron na kami. And then I'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna open all the gift tomorrow. Merry Christmas everyone. Peace.